everyone, so today I have got an exciting advent calendar to unbox with you guys. I have actually got the Mylee gel polish advent calendar to unbox with you. It's a 12-day advent calendar. This costs £65. It is pretty pricey. I managed to get on a deal on ASOS. They were doing they always do deals every now and then, like every couple of days, where you can get discounts off and stuff like that. So I managed to get this for £55. But this is available at Look Fantastic. It's available at Boots. It's available at their website. I'm going to link it to all the sites that I can think of because it's Black Friday. So I think they'll be doing lots of deals. Like Black Friday is coming. So I feel like they'll be doing lots of deals. So one of them might give this advent calendar a bit cheaper. So I will link as many as I can find and the prices that I can find. This is cruelty free and vegan. Yeah, it's quite a bougie price range in my opinion. I think it's a lot for 12 days. Whether it's gel polish or not, I do think that's a lot. I'm not gonna lie. So this is it here. It's just a push button open one. My mum did purchase this made for my Christmas present, so I'm gonna try and be the careful. She did say I could unbox it though. And put them back in, but I will do swatches and I'll have some swatches of the colours and that at the side for you guys. And anyways, but yeah, I'm very excited to unbox this with you. And anyways, £55 mark that I managed to get it for, should I say my mum, works out at £4.55 a day, which is quite a lot in my opinion. That is one of the higher price points per day. I think it's like the Lancome advent calendar day prices when you think about it. So yeah, it's quite pricey. But anyways, we're going to unbox it anyways. So I've got it here and we're going to unbox it. So we want day number 1, which is a nail shade, which is here. So I'm going to try and be my carefulest I can. Day number 1 is a gel polish. It's in like the black packaging. I do quite like Mylee or My Gel, but I think it's Mylee gel polishes, but I wouldn't say they're my favorite gel polish brand. I haven't tried a lot from them though, but this is in the shade Jack Frost and it looks like a beautiful, oh god, look at this, a beautiful purple colour. This is it here. How stunning is that? Yeah, so I will obviously have swatches of these at either throughout the video or at the end. So we want a day number 2. So day number 2 is 5-in-1 Builder Gel. This is in the shade French Rose. So this is a builder gel. Now if you're not familiar with builder gel, you build it up. You don't just smooth it on. You've got to build up like the form, the shape, things like that. So it's actually quite a one that you have to practice makes perfect. Yeah, I've done builder gel, but I haven't done it enough to say like where I'm comfortable, so I'm quite excited about this. Like, I'm excited to have this. The colour doesn't look our nice on that though, but I bet you this looks lovely on the nails because builder gels are more like a jelly type shade, so they're like a bit sheerer, so that looks nice. So I'm actually quite excited about that one because I have been wanting to try more builder gel and things like that, because builder gel's having its moment at the minute and it's been out for quite a while though. So that was day number 2. Oh, day number 3 is a nail file. I have kind of scuffed it trying to get out. It just feels like a nail file you would use on your natural nail, not actually like to file acrylics, things like that, or even gel polish once it's set. Yeah, it's quite a softer nail file. I feel like this is, even though it's a nail polish advent calendar, I feel like this is not the quality you would get to do nails, if you understand what I mean, but it's nice enough. Would I say this is worth £4 odd a day? No, the last 2 yes, but this definitely not. So day number 4 is the My Gel No Wipe Top Coat. I have got their actual one way it has a sticky layer top coat. That's the one I've tried, and it's a bit thick in my opinion, so I'm excited to try what their no wipe one is. Actually, I've got their wipe one on my nails now, so their gel polish top coat is what I've actually got on my nails, so you can kind of get the gist of like the shine that their top coat actually gives. But yeah, it's just a top coat, but it's the no wipe one, so you don't need the cleanser to take the sticky residue off. Number 5 is another gel polish, and this one is called Naughty List. I like that name. I like that it's a Christmassy nail. This looks like a very dark green shade, which I'm quite excited about. You could definitely do like a Christmas nail designs and things like that with this, so that is very exciting. Yeah, so I'm excited to see what other colours are in the rest of the advent calendar. So that was day number 5. Day number 6 is a different sort of shape. It's I've already started to kind of ruffling it, but it's like a long thin shape, so I'm intrigued to see what it is. So it is the Cushion Moon Dust Holographic Effect Powder, so it's just like a chrome powder basically. Yes, that's quite exciting. This is in the shade Moon Dust, so I'm assuming it's silver shade, so that's exciting. I do like chrome powders and things like that. If you like nail arts, these are the type of things, but I do feel like I think I would have preferred a gel polish to this, because not everyone wants to do nail art. Not everyone has the time to do nail art. They just want to paint their nails, you know. But yeah, it's exciting. The day number 7 is a gel polish, and it's like a glittery or sparkly yellow, which I feel like with that green that we've just got, you could probably use this as like fairy lights, like do a Christmas tree with this as the fairy lights on the tree. It is really beautiful. It's got like a sheer, like a shimmerness to it. Very pretty. And this is called Sleigh Bell, so that is really nice. It is another gel polish, and this is called Get Figgy With It, which I love the name of this one. And this is a like purple plummy type sparkly shade, maybe even brownie, to be honest. It's beautiful. I'll have a better swatch of it because I know it's quite dark. I'm having the time with my lighting. It's always the case at this time of year. Yeah, so that was that one. Day number 9, is that right? 9? Yeah, day number 9 is a Mylee nail and cuticle oil pen. This is one of the biggest things people forget about to prolong the lasting power of their manicure. Cuticle oil actually makes such a difference. Yeah, because like say like this nail here probably looks gross to you, but this nail is the same length as my false nail, and if this nail underneath gets so dehydrated, it can unstick from here, which then the life of your manicure does not, so then the life of your manicure is shortened because it's unsticking to your natural nail. And especially with gel, especially if you've got like, say if I'd done a gel polish on this nail, that would be a big thing. So yeah, cuticle oil is one of the underrated, most forgotten things to prolong the life of your manicure. So yeah, I'm actually happy about this one. Number 10, we're nearly at the end, is a shade called Under the Stairs. And this would have been perfect because I've done like a navy style nails this time. So this is the lid here. I think it would have been fab for like the style of nails I was doing on my nails this time. I've done odd hands. I like to do odd hands sometimes when it's on myself. And this is it. Yeah, it would have been fab. I was looking for like a navy for the bottom parts, like for these parts, yeah, you know, the full colours. This would have been perfect for that. I'm so gutted that I didn't wait, but yeah, that is a beautiful, what a stunning shade. Yeah, I'm very excited about that navy shade. Very excited. I haven't got a shade like that either, and it looks gorgeous. Day number 11 is another Mylee cushion powder pen, and this is the Gold Dust Holographic Effect. I do quite like that they're in a pen formula, so then you aren't actually getting powder all over, because on these bits here, on my nails, these lines here, I use chrome powders on them, and my god, I got the chrome powder everywhere. So I like that this is all in one, so I'm excited to actually try them as all in one. This is in the shade Gold Dust, so it's gold shade, but you will see it soon enough in anyways. And then day number 12, the last day. This is the end of the advent calendar. I'm absolutely gutted. Number 12 is a beautiful red colour, and it is in the shade In the Red. The shade is called In the Red. I'm actually so happy that we got a beautiful red. It's just a plain, simple, classic red, which I love. I haven't got anything that's this sort of shade red. A proper, simplistic, classic red. So I'm very very excited about this, and that is a fab day to end on. So that is the Mylee advent calendar. What do you guys think of this advent calendar? Now this is a pricey advent calendar, I will say that. I'm very happy that I got it. I love gel polishes, so to me it has got the worth, because I will get my money's worth out of it, out of use. I do my nails all the time. Yeah, I think this advent calendar is worth it if you want to try Mylee products out. I have a Mylee gel lamp, so their gels will work better with their own lamp, but they will work on other lamps too, but gels normally always work best with their own brand lamp. Yeah, I'm very excited about this. I'm so glad my mum got me. This was one of my birthday presents of my mum. Yeah, so I'm very excited about this. There is other gel polish advent calendars available. There is a Mini Macaroon brand one, and there is a Blue Sky one. Blue Sky have brought out a 12-day one this year, so they are available if you want to check them out. I will have them at the bottom of the description on this video, just in case they maybe are more up your street if this one isn't. But yeah, they're all around the same price mark, all of the advent calendars, gel polish ones. So yeah, just in case you were wondering. But yeah, I love this. I really am happy, and I'm very excited about trying these and trying more from Mylee. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.